Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin, and for today we're going to talk about graphing quadratic functions. So, paano nga ba mag-graph ng quadratic function? So, meron tayong step-by-step procedure para mag-graph ang isang quadratic function. So, ang first step natin is to find the vertex of our quadratic function. So, we can use this formula in getting our h and k. Then, after finding our vertex, okay, we will create our table of values. So, gawa tayo ng table of values, pero yung vertex natin ilalagay natin sa gitna. Tapos, let's assign values of x and solve for the value of y. Now, ang tip ko dito in assigning values of x is we're going to assign values of x close to our h. So, for example, yung h natin is 1. So, yung mga i-assign kong value kay x will be 2, 3, 0, negative 1. So, kung ano yung pinakamalapit para pagka nag-plot tayo sa graphing paper, hindi siya malayong pinaplot or hindi malalayo yung points natin. It is still connected or close to our vertex. Then, after solving for the values of y, we will plot the points and then connect them. Dapat yung graph natin will be a parabola opening upwards or a parabola opening downwards. Okay? Now, let's have some examples in graphing quadratic functions. Alright. Okay, let's graph the following quadratic function. So, we have here f of x is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 10. So, ang first step natin is for us to find the vertex of our quadratic function. So, we know the formula in finding h and k. So, ang kailangan natin dito is to identify the values of a, b, and c. So, yung a natin is 1, b is 6, and c is 10. Now, gamitin natin yung formula for h, which is negative b over 2a. Substitute natin yung values of a and b. We will have h is equal to negative 6 over 2 times 1. Now, let's simplify. We will have negative 6 over 2. And negative 6 divided by 2 will be negative 3. And that will be our x-coordinate. Now, punta naman tayo sa ating k. To solve for k, since integer yung ating h, we will just substitute h to our x. So, we will have negative 3. So, let's replace all variable x by negative 3 and then simplify. So, let's simplify. Negative 3 squared will be 9. 6 times 3 will be negative 18. Then, plus 10. Okay. Tapos, combine natin siya. 9 minus 18 plus 10, that will give us 1. So, ang k natin will be equal to 1. Now that we have our h and k, our vertex will be located at negative 3, 1. So, after natin makuha yung ating vertex, let's prepare our table of value. And sa table of value natin, nasa gitna yung ating vertex. Next step is for us to assign values of x. So, we have negative 3 sa ating h. So, ang kukunin natin or ilalagay nating value of x will be close to negative 3. So, to the right of negative 3, we have negative 2, negative 1. Sa left naman ng negative 3, we have negative 4, negative 5. So, kunin natin or assign tayo ng mga malalapit dun sa ating vertex. So, we have negative 2, negative 1, negative 4, negative 5. Then, let's solve for the value of y. So, first, we have negative 2. So, f of negative 2, substitute natin siya sa ating original quadratic function. So, let's replace all variable x by negative 2. So, let's simplify. We will have f of negative 2 is equal to negative 2 squared will be 4. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. And, kopyahin lang natin si 10. Let's combine 4 minus 12 plus 10. That will give us the value of f of negative 2, which is 2. So, yung value ng y natin, if x is negative 2, is going to be 2. And please take note na since ang parabola natin is symmetrical, okay, and since hindi naman malayo yung unit natin, it will reflect to the left side of our parabola. So, yung negative 4, it will also have the same value which is 2. Okay? Tapos, punta naman tayo kay negative 1. If x is negative 1, okay, what will be the value of y? So, let's replace all variable x by negative 1. So, palitan natin. Let's solve. F of negative 1 will be equal to negative 1 squared is 1. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Then, let's add 10. 1 minus 6 plus 10, that will be equal to 5. So, if x is negative 1, our value of y is 5. Now, since symmetrical ulit siya, the left or the partner of negative 1 is negative 5. So, it will have the same value of y. Now, that kompleto na yung ating table of value, we can now plot our coordinates. So, let's start first with our vertex, negative 3, 1. So, negative 3, 1 is located here. Tapos, negative 2, 2 is located here. Ayan, negative 4, 2 is located here. And negative 5, 5 is located here. Tapos, si negative 1, 5 is located here. Okay, now, na-plot na natin lahat ng points. Let's connect them using a parabola. So, ganito yung itsura na magiging graph natin. So, this will be our graph of the quadratic function x squared plus 6x plus 10. And that's it! Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.